Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And yes, gold is flying. Gold is heading towards 2750, maybe 2800. If you have any wild numbers in your head right now, like 2800, 2900, yes, it seems that everything is possible for gold right now. Because fundamentally, we don't have any technical reason that will bring a trend reversal on the chart of gold. Yes, there may be some technical corrections in between, but technical correction and reversal both are different things. Okay, so if you have any ongoing buy on the chart of gold right now, you can be on the buy position as long as gold is trading above 2700. Whether you're a swing trader or position trader, doesn't matter. If you have any buy on gold, you can be on the buy as long as gold is trading above 2700. Due to any technical correction, if gold drops below 2700, then you can exit and look for a re-entry again when you will get a better price. But at this moment, market is bullish. So considering the trend of the market, respecting the trend of the market, it's better to be on the buy position only. Okay, and obviously the number of trading opportunities are very limited right now because this is not a day traders chart. If you have watched my previous videos, then probably you have seen that we talk a lot about levels. But earlier also I have made it very clear that this is not a day traders chart. If you exit at 40-50 pips, if you try to scalp in this type of market, then obviously you will be missing the 70 to 80% of the profit. You will be missing the major chunk of the profit. Because we are traders, we need to be flexible. Whenever market will give us opportunities to make money, you should sit on the trend. Whenever there is no clarity about the direction of the market, at that point of time you can easily go for scalps. We can go for 40-50 pips. But if you are exiting at 40 pips in this market, then obviously you are making a big mistake. You are missing a huge chunk of the profit. Okay, so the trend on the market is still bullish. So buy at dip or buy at retracement is still the best trading strategy. Okay, this is the weekly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that the market is standing at the record high right now. Please do not talk about market is in overbought condition, because when a market is bullish, the overbought oversold levels do not matter. You should always keep in mind that these indicators are dependent on price. Price is not dependent on the indicators. Sometimes we think the indicator is showing a reversal, the RSI or stochastic is overbought, market will come down. No. Okay, market, the price is always independent. So you need to understand that indicators are dependent on price, not the other way around. Okay, so this doesn't matter right now. So market is standing at a record high right now. Obviously there will be some retracement. Earlier also we have discussed the possibility of retracement on weekly chart, but yes, it did not give us. But yes, there is a possibility that okay, by next week we may see some correction of 100 pip, because whenever market has come for correction, okay, gold has given a correction of 100 to 150 pips. After that it started flying again. So next week, if we get a reversal of 100 to 150 pips, 150 pips, okay, then maybe we will get a better price. But right now market is very fragile. Okay, right now market is very fragile. Market is standing at the top. So if you go for a buy position also, okay, follow proper risk management. Means you should risk only 1 to 2% of the capital. Do not take a buy blindly, because already we have taken a huge chunk of the profit. Okay, so it's high time to be careful right now. Okay, because time has come where there's a possibility that market may give us a correction of 100 150 pips, and then market may go up again. But at this moment we need to be little careful, and obviously there is no sign of sell yet. Okay, so let's not talk about sell right now. And if you look at the daily chart of gold, then we can see on the daily chart, after some retracement, market is going up again, and market is already showing a swing high right now. So yes, there is a possibility of a little correction or retracement. But again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, there is no sign of trend reversal. And if you're a beginner, if you're new to the market, then you must understand that these patterns and all, they cannot bring trend reversal. No indicator can bring trend reversal on the market. For a trend reversal right now, we need a solid fundamental news. Okay, and without any fundamental news, it will just be a correction. Okay, so my dear friends, if you have any ongoing buy, okay, you can continue with the buy position. No need to exit because sky is the limit. What? Sky is the limit for gold right now. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at retracement or buy at dip is the best trading strategy. Plain and simple. Okay, so on Monday, the market opening is going to be important. Right now, we are using simple price action here. Okay, so we can look for a buy around uh 2695 area. Okay, 2695 area, where we have the previous resistance working as support, plus we have the 50 moving average working as dynamic support. So if market comes around this area, we can definitely look for a buy position. But obviously in this situation, okay, expecting the market to come around 269596 area is okay, little dreamy. Okay, so let's be practical here. Yes, we also have some immediate levels. We have immediate level around 2703, 2700. Okay, around this particular area we can also look for support. Not only because we have support around this area, 2700 is a round number. Okay, so we can also look for support around 2700 area as well. And if market doesn't come for retracement around 2700, then as a day trader, okay, as a day trader, you can look for some bounce around 2712. But to be honest, I'm not much convinced with 2712 area. So if you want to scalp or quick buy trade, then you can look for a bounce around this area. But if you're looking for a good retracement so that you can buy at retracement and sit on the position, then 2712 is not the ideal level. Okay, and market just closed at the record high almost. There is no sign of retracement. So when market doesn't come for retracement, listen to me carefully. When market doesn't come for retracement, what we do or what we have been doing was we were buying at breakout. Okay, but in this case, buy at breakout can be little riskier. So I will tell you that let the market open. Okay, if market comes for retracement, well and good. If market doesn't come for retracement, then don't do anything. Okay, let the market retrace a bit after the market opening. When market will show retracement, obviously I'm coming on Monday to tell you, okay, what are the next trading opportunities. But yes, we need some sort of retracement right now for a breakout, because we don't see much volume on Monday, especially after the during the first half. So if you take a breakout with low volume, then there is a high chance of false breakout. So let the market open. Do not go for buy at breakout. Okay, if there is no surprise package from the market, okay, if market opens like a normal Monday market, then don't go for a breakout. Wait for retracement. I'm coming on Monday to tell. Okay. Now I need to say a few things here. Okay, that if you have been selling, okay, if you have been selling or if you have a sell on gold right now, then obviously you should have exited a long time ago. I have warned you guys hundreds of times that exit from the sell, exit from the sell, but still I receive screenshots where people share their positions. So if you are still having a sell on gold, then I have nothing to say. Try to exit, because right now, okay, we don't have any trend reversal news. If any news comes out, okay, then that's a different story. But as of now, we can see clearly see actually the market is heading up towards 2750 or 2800. Everything is possible, because if we look at the contracts data also, we can clearly see the contracts data is also helpless. Okay, there is no resistance in the contracts data also. Okay, so sky is the limit here. And if you are holding yourself, try to exit whenever you get a chance. And many of you are having or taking a sell, just hoping for a trend reversal. You are hoping that market has gone up so much, okay, there will be a trend reversal. Always remember, hope is not a trading strategy. For example, if you see the suddenly market starts dropping on Monday, means for technical correction, if you take a sell, that's a different story. Okay, that has a logic. But in an uptrend market, you are simply taking a sell position, hoping for a trend reversal. That's not a good decision. Okay, and many of you are taking sell position and retracement. What many of you are taking sell position and retracement, that is also not a good decision, because you need to respect the trend of the market. Okay, For example, yesterday I used this example in our group. Okay, suppose you are walking on a road. Okay, you are walking on a road and you see a street fight. Listen to me carefully. Okay, you see a street fight. Two gangs are fighting. In gang first gang, okay, there are three members. In the second gang, there are 25 members. And suppose, okay, there is no way out. You will have to participate in the street fight. So what do you think? In which gang, okay, you have a possibility of better winning? Obviously, if you join the gang of 25 members, okay, you have a better chance of winning the fight. Okay, because if you join the gang of three members, okay, there's a high chance that you will land up in hospital. Okay, obviously the three gang members will also throw some punches. Okay, means these are like retracement. So if you do not want to join the gang of three members, you need to avoid these retracements. And in a trending market, if you're trying to take buy position at retracement and also you're taking a sell at corrections, you are doing a very bad thing. Okay, there's a very thin line between trading and gambling. Okay, so don't make the mistake. Okay, be a trader, not a gambler. Respect the trend of the market, because as long as this trend of the market will continue, buy at retracement or buy at dip will be the best trading strategy. Okay, if you take a sell hoping for a reversal, that will be gambling. Okay, and again I'm repeating, if you are buying at retracement and also taking a sell at corrections, okay, then okay, you are not being disciplined. Discipline is the most important thing in trading, not any trading strategy. Okay, so try to become disciplined, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, follow simple stuff, no need to get into complications. Okay, because your peace of mind will be gone. Okay. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Enjoy with your friends and family. Give time to your family. They are more important.